Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day, and for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I will be putting all the information that you need to know from product codes, SKU, product features, prices. I will be putting as much as I can, even the launch date if everything is available. Just kindly ready your phone and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs or the website. Happy shopping, guys! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subs this year. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so we have more drops from the Murakami collection. First, we have the Boulogne bag. Price of this one is €2,500. Material is Monogram Canvas with cherry blossom design. It would also have vachetta or cowhide leather trims. The top handle is fully detachable. It is made of leather, and it would come with chain strap as well. So loving the chain strap as detail. Next, we have the Horizon size 55. So price of this one is €3,200 from the Louis Vuitton Murakami Cherry Blossom Drop 2. Material is Monogram Canvas with cherry blossom design on the entirety of the luggage. So this is the back. I'm loving the silver hardware, of course, and it would come with untreated vachetta leather trims. Next guys, we have now the price of the camera box bag. Price of this one is €9,000. We have SKU here. So material is Monogram Canvas. This is the interior. So the Monogram Canvas would have the detail of the cherry blossom design. It would come with untreated vachetta leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it would have gold hardware. Next guys, we have the classic rolling trunk. Price of this one is €10,000. So like the name suggests, this is a trunk version of the rolling luggage. So it is more squarish. This is the interior, made of Monogram Canvas, and the entirety of the trunk. It would come with the Louis Vuitton Murakami Cherry Blossom print. It would come with untreated vachetta leather trims as well. Next guys, I'm sorry for the mispronunciation, but it is the Carry 70. For the price of this one, kindly do stand by. So this is from the Cherry Blossom collection. The colorway is the classic Monogram Canvas, as you can see. So this is one side and this is the other side. So it would come with the cherry blossom print on the entirety of the silk scarf. Then we have in the other colorway, so this is the Carry 70. For the price, kindly stand by. But guys, we have the SK, so kindly take note of this one, screenshot, and check with your CAs to check on the price of this one as well. But once I have more information, definitely I will be creating a separate vlog. So which color do you prefer? Would it be the brown? Would it be the light pink? Next guys, we have the Bando size BB. So for the price of this one, kindly do stand by. So the main material of this is of course the classic Monogram Canvas or classic Monogram brown with the Louis Vuitton Murakami Cherry Blossom design. So this is the close-up, as you can see, very beautiful. It would be perfect to spruce up any of your Louis Vuitton monogram bags. Next guys, we have the Keepall size 45. So this one, material is the classic monogram canvas with cherry blossom print. It would come with untreated cowhide leather vachetta trims. It would come with the Murakami bag tag. It would come with 3 bag tags. So the ribbon, key clochette, and of course the leather bag tag. It would come with detachable leather strap as well. Next, guys, we have another trunk. So we have the Courier Limousine. Price, please stand by, but we have SKU. So guys, this one we have more clearer photos, and what we could see, the Murakami flowers is a 3D design. As you could see, it is being placed by the artisan. So it is, it would have nails as well. Then we have the Etui perfume. So this is the case of the Louis Vuitton perfume. So price, please do stand by, but we have SKU here. Material is classic monogram canvas, and as we could see, the entirety of the canvas, it would come with the Murakami cherry blossom print. It would come with gold hardware as well. Guys, by the way, launching of this collection is March 21st, 2025. And then we have the Pochette Cosmetic size PM. SK is provided. So guys, this is the zoom photo. So as we could see, the material is epi leather in pink. But of course, it would come with the Louis Vuitton Murakami cherry blossom design on the entirety of the cosmetic size PM. It would come with gold hardware, as we could see. Next, guys, we have Capucines size BB. So this one very minimal with the Murakami design detail. Actually, I love this one because it would come with the cherry blossom hardware, as you could see. Very dainty, very beautiful. It kind of looks like an artwork. So as you can see, this is the close-up. So it is like in a glossy finish. And of course, it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Guys, we have bag charm. So we have Bijou de Sac cherry blossom. Price, please stand by, but we have SKU here. So for the material, guys, unfortunately I cannot confirm what the material is, but we could see that the strap is made of monogram canvas, and the underneath it would come with cowhide leather trims. It would also come with the LV gold logo hardware, as you could see. Next, guys, more accessories. We have bracelet charms, and price unavailable yet, but please stand by. Take note of the SKU. So the material of this one, as we could see, it comes like in the colorway of the classic monogram canvas because it is in dark brown. And I love, of course, the contrasting Louis Vuitton Murakami flowers. It would come with the charms of the Murakami flower and LV hardware as well. Then we have the Spell on You perfume. So this one, as you could see, the bottle, both the bottle and of course the perfume case, has the Murakami cherry blossom print. What do you think of this one? Very, very cute, and definitely a collector's item. Plus, of course, the Spell on You is one of their most popular scents. Then we have another bag charm. We have Bijou de Sac fur. So material of this one, guys, is mink fur shaped in the Murakami cherry blossom with LV logo hardware. So I'm guessing this one, since this is made of fur, it would be very, very expensive. So it also have a lobster clasp, so you could attach it very easily on your any Louis Vuitton bags. Then, guys, we have Murakami footwear here, so just kind of take note of the SKU and of course the name of the footwear. So like for example, this one, we have the LV Sunset Comfort Flat Mule. We have the Maya Platform Sandal. Love the Murakami flower on this. Then we have the Lily Flat Mule with the monogram canvas. And then of course we have the classic mule in the pink colorway as well. And last but not the least, we have the Slingback Pump.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!